Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox another external hard drive. I think last year or the years before last year I opened two external hard drives for you to see. One is the WD elements. No, the first one, I think the first one I opened is WD Easy Store. The second one I unboxed WD Elements, where that's one I purchased online through the Amazon. The first one I purchased, the first one is not bad, but the second one I got in trouble. No. I'm going to tell you in the next video, but today my main focus is to open a new external hard drive. This time I got I got another brand, not WD anymore. Today, not for today. Okay, let's go to see. What the difference was. Not my WD SeaGate. You can see it. Yeah. And on the top. This time it's made in Thailand. As table, expansion portable, assembled in Thailand, product of Thailand. Portable drive for user. The seal is right here. Let me check my invoice first. Yeah, I bought it's a 50 total, include tax is $59.63. About $55.99. And plus $3.64 tax is $59.63. Good, is it? I don't know. Just open and see. Yeah. I bought this from Staple. This one was a Staple. Yeah. This one in China. The second one, I think, Malaysia. I think. The third one is Thailand. So this is the information, the instruction. And then this how does look like right now. Not disappoint me. Like the second one, the second one is good, but recently this somehow forget about it. Let's go this way. This one is this small. Yep, that's it. Nothing. And this is the UPS. SeaGate. Okay. That's how you come go to your computer USB, and this is yeah. I figure easy to recognize. Usually you forgot this side or this side. It's easy for you to recognize most of the time they have some a symbol here. They have the error here or something. Like here, does it have some yeah. So that's easy for you to recognize some, right? Yeah. That's it. And then this will go to this one goes to the computer USB. For the laptop, the one I'm using right now is on the right side. But if you use the desktop, like all-in-one computer, they have one in front, on the side, and a couple of them on the back. Anyway, that's yeah. And let's see for the instruction what else they have in here. They have many languages here. I see as the Chinese, Japanese, English. Too many languages here. Too many. Here, they have a diagram for you to connect your. They show you how to connect your portable hard drive to your computer. See, this is and there's a go here and there's a go here. Like I just showed you. In the USB, they have two types of USB, 3.0 and a 2.0. So this works for 3.0 and 2.0 too. My desktop on one computer, I think it's a 2.0. In laptop, 3.0. What else they have? Portable drive, quick start guide. This one's quick start guide. That's all. I think that's all they have. To maximize performance, connect your drive to USB 3.0, also compatible with USB 2.0. They say if you want to maximize your portable hard drive, use the USB 3.0. But this is compatible with 2.0 too. To protect your data, always follow the self-removal procedure to your operation system when disconnecting your products. So that means to protect your portable hard drive, your data in the portable hard drive, you have to do the right way when you remove your portable hard drive. That means when you have to go to the low corner of your computer. It's the right hand side low corner, and you click on the arrow up. And you click it, you go to the one is your portable hard drive, and click there to close this. That's the proper way. I will show you later. I think in another video I did show you how to do it already, but probably I will do another separate video show you how to do the proper way to remove your portable hard drive and lose your data. That is the main purpose. Review details of your expansion portable drives warranty by opening the SeaGate limited quantity statement on your drive, or go to www.seagate.com /warranty. To request warranty service, contact an authorized SeaGate service center or refer to www.seagate.com /support/expansion portable for more information regarding customer support within your jurisdiction. Here, this is the paragraph I just read is right here. Okay. FCC Declaration of Conformance. This device complies with the Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to following two conditions. 1. The device may not cause a harmful interference. And 2. This device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operations. This is the paragraph I just read right here. Next, Class B. This equipment has been tested and found to comply with the limits for a Class B digital server device. Pursuant to Part 15 of the FCC rules, the limits and decide to provide reasonable protection against harmful